Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to send your PayPal QR code. First, open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Look for the Request button, often represented by a QR code icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will immediately display your unique PayPal QR code. This code is your personal gateway for receiving payments quickly and easily from anyone. Once your QR code is visible, you will see a Share button directly beneath it. Tap this button to reveal various sharing options. You can choose to send your QR code through messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, via email, or even through other social media platforms. Simply select your desired method, pick the contact, and send it off. It's a straightforward process taking only a few seconds. When someone wants to pay you, they simply open their PayPal app and use its built-in scanner to read your QR code. After scanning, they will be prompted to enter the exact amount they wish to send. Once they confirm the transaction, the funds are transferred directly to your PayPal account. This method ensures a quick and secure way to receive money without exchanging account details. To ensure your transactions are always secure, only share your PayPal QR code with trusted individuals or for verified payments. Always confirm the recipient's identity before completing any transaction. Be aware of common online scams, and if anything seems suspicious, do not hesitate to report it to PayPal's customer service. Your security is paramount when using digital payment methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.